This is Mark with MindlessReviews.net, and we're looking at the IHome mini keyboard tonight. Now, this is a standard USB keyboard with all the keys, but it's got a compact size. It's portable, it's easy to use, and it does exactly what you need it to do. It's got all your, here, let me get in closer. You can see it's got all your standard keys you need. It's just laid out a little bit different, and it's a whole lot smaller than your standard keyboard. However, it's, like I said, portable, compact, and easy to use, and it does exactly what it should do. It's a good keyboard for a backup, or say for your tablet, or not your tablet, your laptop, or any other device you might need a USB keyboard for. So take a look at this if you're interested in a compact USB standard keyboard. It works in Windows 7, 10, 8, Linux, and any other operating system. So check it out. This is Mark with MindlessReviews.net.